So yeah, y'all. So welcome to the Bahia Principe Luxury Ambar. Tell them, Fab.
That's it. They gave us a protection kit. I don't know what's in here. I'm about to open it now.
Yeah.
Oh, it comes with 2 things of hand sanitizer.
There you go.
And 2 face masks. Perfect.
Boom. There you go. So there you go. If you're coming down to Dominican Republic and you don't want to pack hand sanitizer, they give it to you at the Bahia Principe Luxury Ambar. So let's go ahead and check out the room real quick. So we got the shower. The shower. Let me see if I can find the switch. Oh, there we go. I did not bring the hamper. So normally when I go on trips, I bring my little 99, my dollar store hamper with me everywhere. But I didn't this time, so.
Oh, we got slippers.
We got the nice backlit mirror. We got slippers and robes. Nice. And we got the safe. So the safe keeps you safe. But yeah, so you got the shower over there, and then this looks like the bath. This is probably the toilet. Okay, so yeah, so we got the toilet. Yeah, the toilet, it looks like it's about to be, the toilet is where it's at. And that's our suitcases being delivered to us, y'all. So and then we have the mini bar, got the ice tray, we got cups, we got the king size bed. This is nice. It's the luxury ambar at Bahia Principe in Dominican Republic. Got the bottles, and the cool thing about it is the setup for the seating is perfect for us because it's me, Fab, Waters, Nene, boom, party.
Brittany, oh, you said Nene. I thought you said me again.
And then out here, you know what I'm saying? If you just want to chill, lay it down, having fun, whatnot, and just jacuzzi it up. We call it the jacuzzi. I don't know if we got any jets tub. It ain't got no jets in it, but just want to chill out here and just chilling instead of chilling outside because we got the swim up pool outside too. You know, and you got it. But yeah, room 66101 at the Bahia Principe, and that's it.